Welcome to the spoken tutorial on common mistakes while installing Joomla and uninstalling Joomla on a local server. In this tutorial, we will learn about common mistakes when installing Joomla, solutions to those mistakes, and how to uninstall Joomla. For this tutorial, we will be using Ubuntu Linux 14.04, Joomla 3.4.1, Apache, MySQL and PHP obtained through ZAMP 5.5.19. To follow this tutorial, you need to have ZAMP and Joomla installed on your system. You also need to have a knowledge of the Joomla installation process. If not, check the relevant tutorial in the Joomla series on the Spoken Tutorial website. First of all, let me start ZAMP on my machine. Let's open the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T keys. Alternately, click on the terminal icon in the launcher bar. Start ZAMP by typing sudo space /opt/lamp/lamp space start and press enter. It will prompt for administrative password. Let me type my administrative password and press enter. Now we have ZAMP running. The first mistake one can make is to extract Joomla in a different directory. Go to the browser and open the ZAMP page by typing http://localhost and press enter. In the menu on the left of the screen, click on PHP info. Now press Ctrl plus F keys and search for document_root. It will be found in the table Apache environment. Value of document_root will be either /opt/lamp/htdocs or /var/www. In my machine, it is /opt/lamp/htdocs. Please note that Joomla needs to be extracted in the Apache document_root directory. If this is not the case, the installation setting page would not show up at all. Second common mistake that one can make is to have the output buffering on. In the third step of the installation setup, output buffering should be marked as off. This is a recommended setting and not a required setting. Usually, by default, it is turned off. If output buffering is on, installation might proceed successfully. However, the website might be extremely slow later. In some cases, installation might hang up at this step. In case it is on, we can turn it off by editing php.ini in the Apache installation. We will go to the terminal window and locate php.ini first by typing locate space php.ini and press enter. We may get a number of results for this query. There will be one result in which php.ini will be inside the etc directory. This directory is inside the lamp directory inside the opt directory. This is the one we need to edit. In my machine, the path to that file is /opt/lamp/etc/php.ini. We open the file in Gedit text editor by typing sudo space gedit space /opt/lamp/etc/php.ini. If prompted, enter your admin password. You will have to do so whenever prompted as we proceed. Gedit is the default text editor preloaded in Ubuntu Linux. Alternately, you can use any text editor of your choice. When the file is open, search for output_buffering. The first search result we get is commented, so we check for the next result. Here we find the text we are looking for. Change output underscore buffering is equal to 4096 to output underscore buffering off. We save the file by pressing Ctrl plus S keys. We can then exit the Gedit editor. We need to restart XAMPP for the change to get reflected. Switch to the terminal and type sudo space /opt/lamp/lamp space restart. Press enter. So we can proceed to the next step. The third mistake you can make is to have no write permission for the configuration file. In the last step of installation, you might get an error that says your configuration file or directory is not writable, or there was a problem creating the configuration file. This occurs when we forget to give write permission to the Joomla folder. If this error occurs, you'll get some text inside a text box. We will copy this text using Ctrl plus C keys. In this case, we can create a new configuration.php file and paste the text into it. We will use the touch command to create the configuration.php inside our Joomla folder. At the command prompt, type sudo space touch space /opt/lamp/htdocs/joomla/configuration.php. Press enter. Then type sudo space gedit space /opt/lamp/htdocs/joomla/configuration.php and press enter. This will open the file in Gedit text editor. Paste the copied text inside this file. Check the file to make sure left bracket $PHP is present as the first line of the file. And the content is exactly the same. Save the configuration.php by pressing Ctrl plus S keys. We can then exit the Gedit editor. Now we have the configuration.php for our Joomla installation. Now we'll see the fourth mistake that one can make during the Joomla installation. This is to not delete the installation folder in the finish step. I cannot emphasize the importance of this step enough. This is one of the most common mistakes. So make sure the folder is deleted. If you get an error in this step, you must remove the folder manually. I got an error because I am not logged in as Linux super user and don't have delete permission. So now let us switch to the terminal. We will delete the Joomla installation folder manually from the Joomla folder. This is mandatory. So type cd /opt/lamp/htdocs/joomla. Press enter. Then type sudo space rm space -rf space installation /. Press enter. We have now successfully installed Joomla. We can check this by going to the browser and typing http://localhost/joomla. We can see our web page. We will now talk about uninstalling Joomla. We need to first delete the folder into which we extracted Joomla. So I switch to the terminal and type sudo space rm space -rf space /opt/lamp/htdocs/joomla/. Press enter. Now type cd /opt/lamp/htdocs/joomla. This is to check if the folder is deleted. As you can see, the directory does not exist. We will then delete the database and the users. This step will uninstall Joomla completely. I'll first go to the browser and type http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. I'll click on the Users tab and select the user Joomla-1. Below there is an option, drop the databases that have the same names as the users. Click on it. This will give you a prompt. You are about to destroy a complete database. Do you really want to execute drop database? Click on OK. Now click on Go button at the bottom right. We have now successfully uninstalled Joomla from our local host. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about common mistakes and their solutions when installing Joomla and to uninstall Joomla. Let's come to the assignment now. Install Joomla, uninstall Joomla, check if Joomla is indeed uninstalled, and install Joomla once again. The video at this link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials and gives certificates on passing online tests. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial project is supported by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. This is Priyanka signing off. Thank you for joining.